Welcome to Tech Solution. How to install Ring Doorbell Camera. First, fully charge the doorbell's battery by sliding it out of the system and plugging in the included USB. When you are finished, slide the battery back into its compartment. You'll hear a click when it's in place. Charge your doorbell battery until the red charging light turns off. Open the Ring app and start the setup process, following the on-screen directions. Once you have finished setup, you are ready to install the doorbell. Remove your existing doorbell from the wall, and disconnect the wires. It's time to find placement for the doorbell on your wall. Prepare for this first by attaching the included orange mini level to the slot on the front of the doorbell so you don't accidentally install it at an angle. If your walls are made of stucco, brick, or concrete, your doorbell will need a little extra help attaching to your wall. Mark where you want the doorbell to be with a pencil, then use the included drill bit to drill holes into the wall, and insert the anchors into the holes over the doorbell. Next, it's time to wire the doorbell into the wall. First, using the included screwdriver, loosen the two terminal screws on the back of the doorbell. If the wires for your original doorbell are too short, you can use Ring's included wire extensions and wire nuts to extend them. Just line up each doorbell extender with one of the wires, and twist the wire nut on clockwise until it's securely connected. Then do the same with the other wire. Next, secure the doorbell wires under the terminal screws. It does not matter which wire goes to which screw, as long as they are each securely attached to one and the exposed parts aren't touching. Feed all the wires back into the wall and secure your doorbell to the wall using the provided screws. Remove the mini level and pop on the doorbell's faceplate, starting at the top and then snapping onto the bottom. Switch the included screwdriver bit to the star-shaped end, then use it to secure the faceplate with one of the included security screws. Finish installing by securing the faceplate with a security screw. Turn the power to your breaker back on. Thanks for watching.